Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All praises to the Allah who created the whole world. I would like to pay my humble gratitude towards the Jalsa committee, the person who has given me the wonderful opportunity to convey my thought here. My name is Muhammad Fayyaz. My father name is Muhammad Samsul Haq. I am a student, Majladi, Pakur, Jharkhand. So today is very auspicious day for me because my father and my brother are also listening me today. So today we have gathered here for discussing about a crucial topic. We have gathered here for discussing about an important topic. So I'm standing here for the sake of education. I'm standing here for the sake of child marriage. I'm standing here for the sake of make understand the people about the education. Dear dignitaries, first of all we have to understand that what is education. Education means acquiring the knowledge. Education means your skill. Education shows your wisdom. Education shows your intelligence. Education shows your talent. Education shows your intellectual. You know, whenever I think about the education, when I see in my village, whenever I see in the rural area, at the time I find out, you know, that we are living the 21st century, but we are still not aware about the education. Whenever I see the age of 3 years, 4 years and the 5 years, whenever they cry, at that time their parents to give the phone and they're using the phone hours and hours, they're playing the video games and they're watching the videos and they're destroying their mind. When they grow up, at the time they said, I have no interest in education, I have no interest in study. Why they are saying like this? You know, the dear parents, dear dignitaries, have you ever asked your children why they are saying, I have no interest in education? No, you haven't yet. You know, there was a child. When he was a child, at the time he held a book, and when he grew, he became the president of India, and he became one of the greatest scientists in India. Yes, I am talking about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. That person, he became Abdul II, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. Dear dignitaries and dear my brothers and sisters, you know, it depends on you. What are you holding now? If you are holding the right thing, it means you are going the right direction. If you are going the right direction, it means you can become a successful person. In the other hand, if you are holding a wrong thing, it means you are going the wrong direction. If you are going the wrong direction, it means you are destroying your life, you are destroying your future, you are destroying your mustaqbil. Whenever I think about the child marriage, really, that is very painful thing. That is very big issue in our society. You know, the age of 16 year, 17 year and 18 year, this age for the career making, this age for the study, but there are lots of the parents, you know, they got married their daughter. So I am saying that they should not get married for their daughter. I want to give the one example. For example, one girl, she is studying hard. After that, she can become a doctor, she can become a IAS officer, she can become a professor, she can become a leader. At the time, you will feel proud to her. So, आपसे मेरा अनमंद गुजारिश है कि प्लीज़ आप अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाइए. आपसे मेरा अनमंद गुजारिश है प्लीज़ आप उसको इतना पढ़ाइए कि वो सर्वाइव कर सकती है. Whenever I think about, you know, the amid 13 years to 19 years old, my brothers, they are wasting of the time to sitting here and there. They are wasting of the time to playing the games. They are wasting of the time to watching the videos. I want to say, I have the one question for you. Why are you wasting your time? You know, you are the wasting the time. This time will never come to you. In English says, the time and tide wait for none. समय और समुद्र का लहर किसी का इंतजार नहीं करता है. So don't wait for your turn. Go ahead and achieve your dream. Achieve your dream for your parents, because you know they are praying for us. They are always waiting for us. They are always waiting for our good days. So we have the responsibility, we have the obligation for making proud of them. So there is a one वाकिफ नहीं जो लोग सफर के वसूल से साए के भीख मांग रहे हैं बबुल से. मैं आज तक सफर में हूँ इस एहतिमाद पर उभरेंगी मेरी मंजिलें मेरी कदमों के धूल से. So thank you, शुक्रिया, because you have listened me carefully, and I can't extend my speech now because we have the lack of the time. So this is Mohammad Fayyaz signing me for all of you. Assalamu alaikum to all of you.